Hi everyone, Christina Stapke here, dietitian. I do virtual nutrition counseling and my focus is on functional nutrition. So I really help my clients feel better by understanding what their body needs and how to get it back into balance. So today I wanted to talk about something that is really important in kind of the functional medicine and nutrition process, which is the deep dive into your history at the very beginning. And the reason why this is important is because looking at your history and really allowing you to tell your story is one, not only can be super therapeutic, but outside of that, it can really help us gather clues about what things that happened in your life, what may be contributing to whatever you ended up developing from a symptom standpoint. If you're diagnosed with some kind of condition, everything in your life can contribute to those symptoms. So digging into your history and kind of doing some fun detective work with your functional medicine or nutrition practitioner can be a good way to identify, again, also what might be contributing to what you're feeling right now and what your symptoms are. This process is quite different just because, if you typically go into like a non functional or integrative or natural medicine or nutrition practitioner, they may just be going off of treating your symptoms. But ultimately, always want to know why you have those symptoms. Those are your body's way of telling you something's off, something's out of balance, I need support. I know I've said this in previous videos. And so, again, the reason why doing that history deep dive is important is so we can start to tailor a plan for how to get your body into balance and to figure out what those underlying causes might be. Um, yeah, and then again, I want to mention the process. I said this earlier is can be very therapeutic. It can also be kind of eye-opening to go through your history and your story with someone and be like, "Wow, I got through all of that. That's kind of impressive." It's really eye-opening to see the resilience of people and how strong you can be. I'm amazed every time that I go through a client's history with them. Also, the past year, if you're watching this right now and you're alive and got through the past year, it's a perfect example of human resilience that we made it through this. Well, for the most part, for COVID. So yeah, history deep dive is important. Make sure if you're trying to figure out what's going on, what's causing your symptoms, find someone that's going to do a really deep dive into your history with you, to not only get to know you and your history and your story better, but also come up with a personalized game plan for how to get you feeling better and how to get your body in balance. If this was interesting to you, like, comment, share, reach out to me with questions. Would love to chat with you. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Take care.